Hello everyone, welcome back. If you want to create long YouTube videos without filming, editing, or managing complex timelines, this video is extremely important for you. Today we're focusing on VideoGPT, one of the most powerful AI tools available right now for generating long-form YouTube videos using structured scripts and visual prompts. Many creators struggle with consistency because long videos take time. Recording, editing, adding visuals, syncing audio, it all adds up. VideoGPT removes most of that friction and allows creators to focus on ideas and structure instead of production stress. So what exactly is VideoGPT? VideoGPT is an AI video generation platform designed to convert long scripts into complete videos. You provide the spoken script, guide the visuals with prompts, and the system generates scenes, transitions, and narration-ready output. This makes it ideal for faceless YouTube channels, educational content, storytelling, finance videos, documentaries, and motivational long videos. One of the biggest advantages of VideoGPT is its ability to handle long scripts without breaking flow. Many AI tools work well for short clips, but struggle once videos exceed several minutes. VideoGPT is built specifically to manage long-form structure, making it suitable for 10-minute, 20-minute, or even longer YouTube videos. Creators commonly use VideoGPT for content styles like financial education, history breakdowns, mystery storytelling, news explainers, AI documentaries, and narration-driven channels. Since everything is script-based, it allows creators to plan content clearly before generating the video. Another major benefit is scene control. You can define how each part of the script should visually appear. This means you can guide pacing, transitions, and mood without needing traditional video editing skills. When used correctly, the output feels structured and intentional rather than random. Let's talk about workflow. A typical VideoGPT workflow starts with a clean spoken script. Once the script is ready, you separate spoken narration from visual prompts. This allows the AI to generate visuals silently while reading only the narration. This is especially important for long videos where clarity and consistency matter. Next, you define scenes. Each scene aligns with a portion of your narration. This helps maintain viewer engagement and avoids repetitive visuals. VideoGPT handles scene stitching automatically, which saves hours of editing time. Now here's something critical to understand. VideoGPT is not a shortcut to viral success. It is a production accelerator. The creators who succeed with VideoGPT are those who invest time in scripting, storytelling, and thumbnail optimization. The AI handles execution, but strategy still matters. For beginners, the best approach is to start with one long video per week. Focus on clarity, pacing, and value. Over time, you can increase output once you're comfortable with the workflow. Another strong use case for VideoGPT is repurposing. A single long video can be broken into multiple clips, summaries, or shorts. This multiplies content output without starting from scratch. It's also important to mention scalability. With VideoGPT, one person can operate what looks like a full production team. This is why many creators are building multiple faceless channels using the same workflow structure. However, you should always follow platform guidelines. Ensure your scripts are original, provide value, and avoid low-effort automation. YouTube rewards consistency and usefulness, not shortcuts. The key takeaway from this video is simple. If your goal is to create long YouTube videos efficiently, without cameras or editing software, VideoGPT is one of the strongest tools available right now. When paired with clear scripting and thoughtful structure, it can dramatically reduce production time while maintaining quality. If you're serious about long-form YouTube content, learning how to use VideoGPT properly is a skill worth investing in. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you for watching.